Hey guys, I waiting if ever Nemo interact or if ever someone is watching and I'm checking if ever I am really online. Yes, I am online. Okay, so good afternoon and thank you so much for watching and thank you so much ahead for engaging and probably talking to me because it would be actually this is like my first time to do live. I've been asked to do vlogs but for me it's like giwaw kaayo magstorya nga kana galing wala kay kastorya kundi ang camera lang pero now I'm doing live and actually it's my first time to do live yun and it's my first time to do mukbang also nga live alone nga ako ra yung usa. But with you guys, kay I think dili ra kay ko magduka or magmika. So first and foremost, thank you so much Food Panda for this invitation and for this opportunity to do a live mukbang and actually to talk to my friends and to my followers also. Kay actually exactly a month ago, March 20, that was the last time I went out of the house and nga wala like importanteng lakaw. Then after that I practiced good community quarantine. I'm home lang yun. I went out once a week just to do my grocery and to do some pet cares actually. So yeah, Food Panda invited me to encourage you also to use Food Panda app because malagi na siya dili gyud maayo nga manggawas ta og mamalita. But for this ECQ, me personally, I asked them. Wow, sige, thank you. Oh. So, I asked them personally if ever nga ako bang i-encourage because ako yung i-encourage ang home cooking. So, yes, for this ECQ, do home cooking lang yun taon. You should, if ever di mo kibaw mo luto, start with like pagluto og kanang what you call this, magluto ta og kanon. Tanaw lang sa YouTube. Everything is in YouTube man karon. O tanaw sa ko ang mga chat ha kung okay ba kung tingog okay ra ko no di ay. So, yeah, start lang sa pagluto og kanon. Everything is in YouTube karon. Everything gisulti nga sa ECQ ko no, everyone starts to be a chef. Nagsugod og kaon, nagsugod og luto, nahimo og barista, kada ingon ana. Ang uban sad, the grabe fitness enthusiast na everyday mag-upload og kuan exercise video which I really like. So yes, magsige kog tanaw sa exercise video while eating. So sa mga fitness enthusiast nga na tanaw lang mo while nag-exercise nako. While nag-exercise tanaw lang mo nako while nagkaon ko ngan higamay. Okay? So, going back, so when Food Panda invited me to do this one and ako encouraged na akong home cooking, then but if ever once in a while we should treat ourselves, right? So kay puol sa jud kaayo sige ko nauna kung unsa atong lutuon. So probably mga once a week tingali or like kung kano sa nakay craving, so you should order the food you love. So Food Panda, okay, is here to help us guys. So in Food Panda though, first and foremost, hi Doki guys. Yes, yeah, bonchon chicken din siya. So for you guys, kung sa wa pa ka-download og Food Panda, download na og Food Panda because they practice contactless delivery because that is what I would suggest nga. If ever you don't do home cooking, ayaw lang mo basta-basta o gawas kay dili good safe or mo gawas inyong karinderya nga dool. I would suggest that one though pero kibaw ta basig ila jung giampingan ang pagluto pero di sa ta sure nga syempre ang kwarta nga inyong gigunitan dili ma-sterilize ang kwarta nga imong gigunitan pod. Well, in Food Panda, they have this contactless delivery and in the same way also, you can pay using your card. Or if ever wala, you can have your PayMaya. You can link your PayMaya also to your Food Panda. And if ever you don't have your Food Panda yet, so download it now. And if ever wala, try to order. Kaya para timing after I do my live, maka-order na sad mo. Okay? And mga o na tagdungan after. Okay? And actually, please visit ako gitag ang page sa Food Panda promo codes. Visit there kay manghatag sila o voucher codes. In the same way, there are some pages, some of my friends nang hatag sila og voucher codes na ang the Cebuano, Calami Cebu, Gift Stories. Visit them nang hatag sad sila and yeah, visit the page kay nang hatag jud sila ngadto. For example, but actually this is also for first timers or new customers. So just in case na namoy Food Panda, Idi of course kanang for sure na agud tingali tay usa sa balay wala pay food panda, you can ask mga kauban nato sa balay ang atong katabangan try to download food panda for you can use the voucher code also, and yeah, you have 50 pesos discount dayon or unsay voucher nga ilang ihatag. So going back doing this mukbang, hoy kadaghan ana, yes, daghan jud ni siya. That's why hopefully, yes, my chubby body, kalami Cebu. I really hope nga naa, but sige, we have to practice social distancing. So going back, I was quite partial when they invited me to do mukbang. Kung nga mura galig, sad kaayo nga nay uban galisod og kaon, then kita mo kaon ng tagdaghan kaayo and doon pag yun. And this is just that when they invited me over the weekend, that is just the time I knew unsa gyud ay meaning sa mukbang. At first I really thought ang kanang mukbang kay kanang eat all you can tanang food niya i-serve nga hot doon jud kanon gyud dayon siya. But actually dili di ay. Palabansa ko sa Google para sure gyud. Ang meaning sa mukbang kay mukbang or mukbang is an online audiovisual broadcast in which a host consumes food while interacting with its audience. So, naradi ay dili din nako dapat hot doon. Yes, kay di din nako mahurot sa in town. So yes, there are 8 of us in the house. I'm sharing this to them. And of course, kung sobra pa yun, pwede sana mo ipamahaw ugma. We have no, yeah, in other words, we don't have to waste food karon yun. So we have to reinvent atong sobrang nga pagkaon, ato gyud ang lutoon og ato gyud na siyang kanon na sa di kaugma, dili na to usik-usikan. Okay? So that's it. Next also, what are the food in front of me? Kay mo na kong isulti. Na ba ko nakalimtan so dapat na kong i-intro. Pasensya na guys again. I'm not used to this. Again, first time gayud nako download voucher. Okay, so that's it, contactless. So di gid mo mahadlok. So when you order di ay in Food Panda, make it sure that the restaurant that where you order is in your city. So dapat naa gyud siya sa inyong city kay kuan na biata karon mas ni enhance na, mas ni stricto na. So ni close na nga to ang border. So just in case if ever you are from Cebu, please order restaurants which are just from Cebu also. If ever you're from Mandaue, Talisay, or Lapu-Lapu. Even though sometimes when you check the app, na ay restaurants nga mo appear nearby. Like for example, you're in Banilad. But of course, when you're Banilad, when you order Hi Bea, thank you so much for the support. Yung kaayo, yun as in touch kay ko. Going back, if ever you order food, then naa ka sa may Banilad, sometimes mugawas gihapon na ang food niya naa sa AS Fortuna because it's nearby. Pero karon enhance naman, so ang nas AS Fortuna di jud kaabot sa Banilad. So make it sure when you order food naa gyud siya sa inyong city gyud mismo, or not unless kung nag-crave jud kay ka, yeah, you have to go out and go to the border and get that, in which na wag tang ang purpose ato ang contactless delivery, di ba, when you have to go out gihapon. Okay, so that's it. So what are the food? So the food near me, because I am near the downtown area, so I'm actually, the tag is located also. Near me is actually E-Mall. So the restaurants in E-Mall nga open. I'm actually earlier na out atong dim sum. I was so happy when now that dim sum for wala man, kaya I'm really craving for lumpia Shanghai. So yes, for those friends close to me, they know that I really like lumpia Shanghai. Hi Teacher Gio, you're my idol. Mo shout out jud ko nimo. Okay, but wala man ang wala na ang dim sum. So kung kasi na lumpia Shanghai, please send it to me, please. Oh. Okay, yes, yes, Chef June, tagay kong lumpia Shanghai. Bitaw. So going back, so the restaurants near me are like Bonchon. So thank you so much, Bonchon. I ordered their K-chicken, and there is seafood platter. Kay kinahanglan sa jud ko mag seafood platter. Kay dugay-dugay siguro tag baboy. Well, of course, sinit ang baboy lutuon kay ma-freeze gyud sa gidayon. So it has like the seafood platter, it has shrimps, it has fish, and it has calamares. And in Imol also there's tiktilaok. So since na may chicken, I ordered the liempo. So this is the garlicky liempo, I think. Yes, Chef June, yes. Yes, lagi to my Sugdi family, thank you so much. They are my Sugdi family, and to my close friends, they know sila rin to keep me sane. I'm a very people person. So I talk a lot, I want to see people. Pero for the last month, exactly last month, naradyo ko sa balay. Actually, nako sa mong rooftop. So actually, nako sa mong roof deck di iron. Roof deck yun, no? Actually, bunggal ra mong balay. We have a parking lot, nako sa parking lot. In other words, amo ning hayhayan. So hayhayan chronicles. Kanang wire inyo nakita, that's the hayhayan. So I'm always here because There's no signal in my room and I'm using my data kaya our internet in the house is not so good. So manawagan lang ko, di lang ako isulti ang provider. So yes, hi Glenn. We have to talk about Forex also later. So that's it. Muna na ko roof deck na mo di ay. So yeah, nako sa mong atok in town. Okay. So going back, so since I have chicken already, nag-order ko garlic tea, liempo sa tiktilao. And sa Bunchon, I have this flavored fries di ay na actually it's my first time. Mukhaon ako daan. Okay. Mall also nearby me, I have Greenwich, I have the pizza, then they have the lasagna, they have the potato crisp, and actually okay baon sa na siya. But it goes in the package. But I think this is potato also. Murag. Hello? Hi everyone. Good. Yes, for the people, I don't want to mention, pero yeah, Marco Polo, thank you so much, di ay. Kay kamo gini unang nangumusta kung kumusta ko. I'm really doing good. Then, I am so happy kay wako na inform that Lamau guys is here. The food panda. So Lamau guys, this is muna akong giganahan actually sa street food in Sugbo Mercado. Shout out to Gaylord. Surprise! Baka na-inform. May pagsulti ko Gaylord da. Basin di ay imong pakapinan. I really like their Lamau guys. Their Lamau and their sisig Lamau is the best. So, and of course na ako yung siomai. Okay? So, iba ko mukhaon ko dapat pero okay ba kung sa kung kanang kanon. Mukha na ko garlic killian po lang sa daan. Okay? So yes guys. Bilisod mako oy. Yan. Sorry for my hair, samo kay akong buhok. Yeah, kay karon ba ya ang mga tao first week nagkat-on og luto everyone sa chef. Mga probably last week ako nakitaan everyone nahimo na sang barber, nagputol-putol na silang buhok, nag-cut na silang hair on their own. Taro na uso na sa gali ng di-edit their photos ug mo nilang i-profile pic para ma-cartoons. Nga may uban nga kanang dili na kinahanglan i-cartoons ilang naong kay cartoons na daan. Abash. Okay. So ako gipili. So first and foremost, since yeah, my hashtag is TheDentistIsOut. So initially I'm blogging and sharing what I usually do outside the clinic, and now it's been a month that I am really outside the clinic. Yeah, pero na kit-kitog ko. So what you might be asking, so yes, dentists, we might be taking this opportunity. We dentists, we are medical professionals, but we are not really in the front line. We could be part of the rear guards as of the moment. Nga naman, because for us dentists, yes, mo-check sa ko sa kung ay messenger di ay or. Pero na ko nakalimtan sa ako ang intro. Okay, wala di ay. Okay. So, hi, hello, good. Hi, everyone. Sa tanan nag-watch. So going back, so yeah, we dentists, we are working in the mouth, mga good. So if you have noticed, the main mode of transmission of COVID is actually ato ang babaw, ato ang laway or airborne siya. So kami, we are operating in the mouth itself. So airborne mo gawas. I think if you have visited your dentist, open, nagyunay pisik-pisik nga laways. That's why we even have face shield. We also protect ourselves good. So, delikado yung kayan. We are working on a compressed air. So, ang air magbalik-balik o magsulod-sulod. So, we have to protect our patients and we have to protect ourselves too. Then, dili na siya basta nga hindi ko mag-treat yung patient after 30 minutes, there's another one. So, actually, for us dentists, there will be a very new norm for us after this pandemic yun. I'm so happy that very active kayo mo ang PDA president, and yes, we are, and the whole PDA yun, community, we are helping each other actually to kung saan na mo pag-overcome and how we would start nga bago na gyud tanan. Actually, when we go back to our clinics now, we have to wear a new PPE now. So basig ang consultation murag mo mahal na gyud. We are so sorry, but it is for your protection and our protection. Kaya we have to amo nang dapat sulubon ang PPE na kanang suit gyud. More na mig Teletubbies ana. So yes, ganahan kay kog blue akong color on niya. Okay? So yeah, that's it. So hi, thank you so much. So, that's it. So, bago you guys, so we dentists, we tend to stay home actually to protect you, and we don't open our clinics to save you. So, actually, so muna question, Doc. So, muna akong tubagon kay actually during this ECQ, Actually, mas daghan kay kung madawat nga online consultation actually. Every day, like when I woke up every morning, like there's a tons of okay, because of course I'm part of some groups. Itag dayon kung if ever na magsakit og ngipon. So daghan kay kung online consultation actually that keeps me busy. Sometimes every morning at mo gidayon na ako ang buhaton. So Dok, unsa day dapat buhaton day namo kung magsakit ang amo ang ngipon karon. So, musulti ko ana nga kanang mo siya gitawag nato og merese. No joke. No, because why I am saying this because tooth decay or caries dili ba siya mo develop og overnight. So, it could have been prevented if ever you have visited your dentist long time. Kung regular ang inyong visits sa inyong dentist. Good thing gali like so recently nakaykaya na ako quarantine fights I've found a video which was like I was interviewed in a local morning show and I talk about tooth caries. So yes, I've been asked nga murag ako siyang i-share og balik. So yeah, going back, so dili magsakit ang ngipon if ever we would just take care of our teeth kay sadly we cannot help you and we cannot meet our patients as of the moment. So ngano madunot man ang ato ang ngipon. So this I would like to discuss. So to my students, yes, I dapat ka memorize na mo ani. So why there's a tooth decay kuno. So nganong na tooth decay? So there are 4 factors. So we have to remember there are 4 factors that gives tooth decay. So unsa maning upat ka factors that we should remember. So first, kay tooth decay man siya. So ang first nga factor for tooth decay is tooth. Of course, kay kung walay tooth decay, di ba? Number 2 is ang atuang bacteria. I think we all know that part of our body, all parts of our body natin bacteria. We have good bacteria and we have bad bacteria. So actually, these are probiotics. So our mouth has bacteria already, but these are good bacteria nga mo help ni sila og digestion, and the same way also it would help or aid sa atuang digestion. So okay. So, mo na siya. So, number 1, susceptible tooth. Number 2 is ang bacteria. Number 3 is ang fermentable carbohydrates or ang sugar nga to ang kanon. So, of course, mukaon man ta every time, di ba? So, the first 3 I am emphasizing this the tooth, the germs or the bacteria, and the sugar, present gud na siya ang tulo, right? Dili gud na siya mawagtang. Kaya ato gyud ang buhaton. So nganong naa may tooth decay, the 4th factor mo na siya importante. It would be time. Okay? Ang oras. So in other words, bisag naa ni ang tulo, walay tooth caries nga ma-develop if ever dili nimo matagan og time. Ngano din ay tooth caries guys, sorry. When we eat sugar, the bacteria in our mouth mo interact sa sugar. Ilasang na siyang inalayman sa kusulti. Ang bacteria mukaon pud na siya. Inigkaon nila mura sa silag malibang. So, ilang ilibang or they have a byproduct, we call it lactic acid. Ang lactic acid, mauna siya'y makapatunaw sa ato ang ngipon or makasugod og donut. Okay? So, muna siya. But if ever we brush our teeth right away, so muna siya, ang 4th factor, ang time. So, if ever we brush our teeth right away, walay time. So, dili ma-develop ang tooth caries. Bisag naa pa ang tooth, naa ang carbohydrates, o naa ang germs. So, we have to brush or we have to gargle right after eating. So, pwede na siya. So, mainom day ko. So, I didn't order drinks actually, pero nagpadaman sila og iced tea. Even though I eat a lot, as much as possible, I limit myself not to drink soft drinks or nagpadaman sila. And anyway, when you order, guys, please check the kanang opt-out for cutlery para they won't send you disposable or single-use plastic. So, I'm using now my reusable straw, and yeah, actually, nagamit ko sa akong kutsara tinidor sa balay because it's safe also. Okay? So, that's it. So, brush your teeth lang yun dayon. So, if ever mo brush ta, so we have to brush as much as possible every after eating or twice a day lang. Okay? Morning and before sleeping. Pero just in case, sige ta panghugas og kamot, di ta makapanot brush or labaw nagkapoy kayo, just make it sure we have to brush our teeth before sleeping. Mo gina siya pinaka-importante. Because if ever we are if ever magod matug ta pinaka-importante na going back is before sleeping, because when we are sleeping, close ang ato ang baba, so the bacteria can progress easily dayon. So mo na siya pinaka-importante. So there is no good do kung say maayo nga toothbrush, wala ra good any toothbrush is good. Then unsay maayo nga oh hi from Vietnam. So yeah, I really like Vietnam how you handled COVID. And toothpaste, there's no good or bad toothpaste. Just make it sure you have to read now the label. So please listen carefully. So unsa day kinahanglan nato. So for the toothpaste, kinahanglan gud nato, there should be it has been recommended 1,000 ppm, but 1,000 ppm these are for kids actually. But if ever for adult, it would be 1,500 ppm or 1,500 parts per million. I say from Australia, thank you so much good for watching, and hopefully manay mong quarantine nga na so that makalaag-laag na sad ka. Okay? So that's it. So toothpaste should be 1,500 ppm. And kung mogamit ta og toothpaste, so for kids gali, it could just be a pea size or below 2 years old, pwede ra gyud nag-strip. But if ever more than 2 to 6, pea size lang gyud or more gidakon sa munggos. And if ever for adults, the whole head of the toothbrush kana lang gyud siya. And when you brush, brush circularly gyud and make it sure nga walay matagak. So how to properly brush your teeth? I think di na ako mag-demo kay murag mika na. Okay, pero madali ta, but just to imagine, just create a system when you brush your teeth. So minimally, brushing your teeth should be 2 minutes. So 2 minutes ta mag-brush. So mo siya pinakasayo. So di pwede 10 seconds, 30 seconds nga brush lang manadayon. 2 minutes or ideally we even suggest 4 minutes because some toothpaste, the interaction of fluoride will be 4 minutes. So when you brush, just try to create a system. Always remember nga to ang teeth, ang ato ang ipon na siya tulo ka surfaces, na tay outside surface, natay biting surface, ug nasa tay inner surface. So natay upper and lower. So when you brush, so good sa taas, upper outside, then upper inside, then biting surface. Then sunod na sad lower outside, lower inside, then biting surfaces. Or I think we know that we have 32 teeth. You can start with 1, 2, you count up to 32 nga hinay-hinay lang yun, and for sure maabot jud ka og 2 minutes ana. Such as washing your hands nga makaabot ta og 2 minutes kung mukanta tag happy birthday. So in brushing your teeth, you can also have happy birthday for 2 minutes. So maraman tingali na siya. Mabasa sa ako sa mga comments o sa mga messenger kay para maka-interact ko. Yes guys, kasi gusto mo ani mo nga ni ako i-share ang food pero social distancing ta so ako ang itunol sa gawas. But also to answer your question, I answered it already nga mo na to prevent. Pero if ever naagalig yung sakit ang inyong hangipon ron and all of the dental clinics are closed, here in Cebu, there is only one hospital which is open actually to cater dental emergency. So, sa dental emergency. So, it is in Vicente Soto. So, in Vicente Soto, maadto lang yun mga to, you go to the dental department, okay? Shout out to my classmate in college, Dr. Melanie Sabina, she's there. So, when you go there, just go to the dental department, but you have to pass by OPD because you still have to go to the triage. So, manang if ever daily emergency, ilang adto, kay bisig sakit sa ngipon, lahi pa yung makuha nga sakit. Anyway, most dentists, okay, if ever you are close with your dentist, most dentists do online consultation. So, with me personally, you can message me and yeah, probably kay usually nga nung gasakit ang ngipon, most would just take painkillers. So, yes, painkiller would help pero nganong painkiller would help pero magpadayon gihapon ang pain. Why there is pain? Because there's an infection. So, you have to take antibiotics actually. Okay? So, antibiotics then mo na para mawagtang ang sakit. Okay? So, mara man tingali na siya ako nakalimtan. So, visit your dentist, kana na lang siya. Mo try pa ko sa food di ay. Sige na kong chika di ay. So, what I'm going to try is ang lamaw, guys. Kaya mo gina kong gusto. Susod sa lamaw is actually what's inside a lamaw for those who are not from Cebu or really familiar sa lamaw. I think lamaw, I don't like to describe it, but lamaw is like a mix up of food. So, it has rice, and it has hard-boiled eggs, na chicharon, and na ay siomai. So, muna siya ang lamaw. So, this is like the classic lamaw. Pero, hindi kani akong kanon, kaya ang akong gusto, kay actually, ang kaning sisig lamaw. So, it's the same as the lamaw, pero na siya sisig. Trust me, it's really good. Na siya sisig. So, mag-gusto makuha ni kaon eh. Wala lang kumukaon, kay kumukaon ko, lagi wing. I'm winking ako because I have been known for my winking in eating. Sorry, don't talk when your mouth is full, pero sige lang. Sugab. Dok, ang akong ngipon lang gigil na sa ibuang full. Sorry kayo guys. Sorry kayo mabuhat. Okay. So, since for this mukbang episode, since I am one of the medical professionals, I've been asked also to share or to address, to have reminders about this COVID-19. Even though I'm not an expert, yung as of the moment, wala pag yung expert tingali sa COVID-19. So, if ever you receive information, please make it sure to read lang yun asa ang source. Kung video, click lang sa yun. Ayaw i-play ang video dito, so click asa ang video gikan. Hi Sir Rob. Yes, gigutom kagatan-aw. Yes, gigutom o gimingaw na gyud kay ko. Mga on patay next month sana or a month after next mga on na gyud tagkuyog. Okay? And so, yeah, please click, please verify lang sa good, and after verifying, una i-share. Don't share anything. Kaya mo na siya gisulti nga, please share the love, okay? Share the love, don't share scare and fear, okay? So, mauna siya. So, what I am going to discuss actually, nakoy kodigo nga ni, matanaw sa ako ang kodigo. Nagkodigo ko actually para wala ko yung makalimtan. Anyway guys, my audio is clear, no? Ipakita sa camera ang food before ikaw. Yes. Actually, kanang una na ako mukaon, no? Pero sige, mukaon na lang kong chicken. Kaya kinahanglan dyan ko na kumukaan. Ano kang chicken? Pero, yeah guys. Foodpanda, thank you so much also for giving foods actually to the frontliners because they're doing projects also. Thank you, Saika Nikki. Akong idol sa vlogging guys. Please follow Saika Nikki. Dahil has comment, please follow her sa Instagram. Karon kay nanangkay ko siyang gibuhat nga retractable nga cat tray. It's really nice. Yes, hi to my neighbors. Hi Pam. Yes, ako ni siyang eat sa inyo ha after karon. Ako nang itunol-tunol to my neighbors. Okay? Okay. Yes, Kimo. Okay. One more reminders. Gusto na gusto ipangutan na gusto i-remind or na mo gusto i-comment guys, please comment or send suggestions. Okay. So, asa akong kodigo. Okay, for brushing out, before I proceed to COVID, I can nagbuhat man ko sa akong kodigo for oral health. Before I proceed to COVID for oral health, I discuss about everything. Kano sa importante mag-brush. And muna siya, amo manggong campaign karon even though I'm having sugar ito, ni boy dai sugaringan he. The campaign of Philippine Dental Association ito is sugar away. It's okay. So because as I mentioned earlier, ang sugar yun ang cause of tooth decay. But if ever dili gid may iwasan ang sugar, always remember to drink tons of water after it. So nga nung why we are saying that to stop sugar, because before actually, I think you've heard about this, like dentist, musulti good na, okay, if ever don't eat chocolates, magya to remind sa kids. So initially we were saying that it's to encourage kids to eat chocolates, because actually it's okay, what is childhood without chocolates, right? Pero kaya nga naman, if ever, comment ba ito? Yes, comment ito. Yes, nag-live sa ko sa akong Instagram. Kay actually, some of my followers in Instagram was like telling na mas ganan sila mo watch me in Instagram. Or actually, I have different followers in Instagram and in my Facebook though. Yeah, in Instagram, my apologies if ever, yeah, I have some traveler followers and I speak in the dialect. But unfortunately, yeah, I am more comfortable speaking in the dialect than in English. Kay yes, I'm quite bad in, yeah, aside from love. My weakness is grammar, so mauwaw ko. Okay, so yeah, you adjust because you're following a Filipino. Okay, so going back, so we encourage kids to eat chocolates. Why we encourage kids to eat chocolate? Because before, when we say don't eat chocolate, kids would tend to hide when they eat chocolates, right? Mutago hinoon sila. So for that, after mutago sila, we don't know that they're eating chocolates. We cannot tell them to brush after. So at least we encourage them to eat chocolates. So at least they would know that they eat chocolates. Then atos lang ma-advise to brush after. But what had happened, karon hinoon, kids are like eating a lot of chocolates. Pero what had happened is, wala na. Muna obesity sets in. And actually there's a lot of sugar or a lot of diseases nga nagsugod sa sugar. So pasensya na, I am very in an ambient sound sa mga nag-aw-aw. So mga bantay na namo nga ero. No, that's not Butchie barking. It's our neighbor's dog. Butchie is actually, ako gi-quarantine si Butchie sa room. Kaya may chihuahua kay masaba to siya. Okay? So, yes, going back, as I've mentioned, so, also nakalimtan ako for dental. So, yeah, drink water all the time. So, if ever you can't brush and if ever you eat sugary foods, always remember to to drink water after you diet. Yes, Bea, pizza. Sige mo, try kong pizza, Be. So, I'm trying the Greenwich Hawaiian Overload Pizza. Ubarog jud ko. Yes, guys. Wala ko na ni siyang nagunitan. Shout out to Rachel. Yes, hi Rachie. Rachie, I'm having an insurance with him. Wala ba ko kabayad pa for this month? I don't know. Kaya wako pa itong barko sa abang ko sa. Yeah, wala sa silingan. Pizza pa. Yes, pizza is life. But yeah, if ever can't order pizza, but yeah, order soup. But if ever can't, can get tutorials in YouTube how to make pizza. And if ever you're lazy and you want to give into your cravings, then order through foodpanda. Foodpanda in Cebu. Yes, hi to Davao. I think it's Davao and General Santos also. Kasaba good sa aero. Pasensya na. But I think my audio is still clear, right? Maulit na ako. Yes, please go home. Asali ka. Okay. Yes, Pamela, guys, is my childhood friend. As in, silingan gimit, like, mana siya, di na ko mo storya pa. Masabay nakalimtan ako, chocolate, soft drinks, also don't drink soft drinks so much. Kaya mukha kaya nga food no niya, mag-cook. Di ba, mag-diet cook din ka, nauwaw pa ta. April. Yes, April. I think you know that I've been really wanting to try your cake. Pwede na sa magpadaan next time. But actually, I was trying to look at it in foodpanda. I think wala siya sa akong area. Kaya di na ko siya makitaan. Yes, Kalami Cebu. Carlo, yes, I miss you so much. My chubby bunny, guys. Yumingaw yun ko. I miss my Sugdi family. I miss vlogging yun actually. So, thank you foodpanda for this opportunity. Actually. So, of course, my other reminders for oral health is actually the same na sa good to keep healthy. Just so basic, actually, such as how to keep healthy right now. So, eat balanced diet. So, make it sure you have greens. Sorry na wala dekoy greens karon. So, sige lang na may greens akong background. I had greens actually earlier. Okay. So, then have vitamins also. So regarding that, magstorya na lang tingali ko about COVID na lang sad. By 5:34. Wow, amazing. I've reached about 30 minutes already talking to myself or to you guys. Wow, may question yan ha guys. Akong tubagon, Dok, hi, na ay magpa-online consult as a pwede mo message. If ever you have your dentist though, most dentists, if ever, karon inyong dentist kay they have their Facebook account, you can message them actually, but if not, actually you can message me actually, you can message through my page or message me personally, and I would reply as much as possible diretso and to address, because I know it is really an emergency for you, pero I do reply since syempre dili sad, there's a lot of people having or asking consultations, so I can't get back right away. And in the same way also, I know that most pain or like toothache usually happens during night. Kaya tungod man ako, sige, mag-discuss sa sag ko. Because pain usually happens during night because you're lying down and prostaglandin, o taas na kayo na siya. So mag-sociology ta. So anyway, pain usually happens during night kaya nagigda ka. So matrigger na siya, ana. So, we would reply, I would reply, dentist would reply when we wake up. And pasensya na because right now, due to COVID or to home quarantine, sometimes our waking up time is not the same na yun. So, sometimes, mumata na ko alas 11, sometimes alas 6, or depending yung kaayo. So, pasensya na if ever you said sometimes for consult, then mo said mo alas 2, alas 6, or sometimes 8 a.m. And I can reply in the afternoon already. So, my apologies. But rest assured, I am really replying right away. And to my friends, actually, who sent messages, I am not being snub or whatsoever. If ever I can't reply, even though for my patients knows about this, if ever you want to set appointment or to chat with me, if ever I am not replying right away, please kulit ako like, oh, half day nagali you such lunch. Ikagabi, if ever I have not replied, please message again. Okay? Basig nalubong na siya. Okay, daghan kay chat. Alam mo na, chat ratong kalingawan karon. Chat, Twitter. Okay. Yes. Yes, guys. Dili din ako hot doon again. Di ba lang? Yes, I am also with Love Yourself. And Love Yourself, yes, before I proceed, I later I was supposed to ask moment of silence. A member ba ya or a volunteer of Love Yourself just joined our creator last night, si Doc. He's part of Hot Doctors, and he joined our creator last night. So let's pray for him also and for the other frontliners. Okay. And yeah, for the Love Yourself, yeah, actually that's another issue, not really issue, but it's a present concern right now. So Love Yourself, actually, guys, is like an organization. I'm actually focusing more. Of course, it is about loving yourself, but as of the moment, focusing more on HIV advocacy and awareness. So, right now, if ever you want to get tested, gali, just go to the White House because they're still open every day from 12 to 5. You don't have to set an appointment. So 12 to 5, but the cutoff is at 4 p.m. Or, hi Joanna. So, kasi mong lutoon doon, itag niya ko ha. So, yeah, for going back to White House, it's 12 to 5. So, but the cutoff is at 4 p.m. Actually, you can just message Love Yourself and ask more inquiries how for you to get tested. And if ever you know people living with HIV also who is taking ARV or their retroviral drugs, and they get their ARV not from Cebu, and mag-isun na nagpa-refill because if ever they need to have it refilled in Mandawi or somewhere else and they are locked here in Cebu, they can also message Love Yourself so they can have their refills also for ARV. As of the moment, on hold sa ang PrEP. Anyway, I'm not quite that active as of the moment sa Love Yourself. So if ever you have questions about HIV or about Love Yourself, please do message them. Okay? So, asa na? Yes. Nagigisa mo akong pasensya na yun. So, next, naglaway ko. Yes, guys. Nagkadyo kayo gagawin na sumukaon. As I really want to share this, guys. Pero, kung saan taman. Pero sige lang, I'm giving this to my... Yes, every day. Oh, no, they're not open every day. I think they're... Sige, I'll try to... Sige, I know na ato sa chat. It's in a chat somewhere. Will other Love Yourself people can us sila open. So, actually for this month, for April, I'll share na sa for April na lang sa ha. So, for April, Love Yourself. For this week, they're open from Wednesday to Sunday. So, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So, they're closed Mondays and Tuesdays, then they're open again 29 and 30. So, it's open 10 a.m. So, that's it. So, or muna, message na lang Love Yourself for more info because their social media team is very active also in replying. Actually, mas active pa si Muhang X, or unsa ba. Okay, so let me go to the COVID reminders. So, kasi nagalit ako nag-screenshot ko adto lang kay gusto kasi mahina itong internet. Anyway, for my COVID reminders, actually this is the reminders I'm planning to discuss or like read on actually. I'll try to read on some of the myths nga ato nadunggan because I'm actually right now nanaghan na yun and still some of the people here in Cebu are still in denial para nila dili gyapon sila maabtan or matapdam sa COVID. So I like to read actually this is from ang nagbuhat ani to debunk the myth. I would like to thank actually Cebu for Cebu or Global Shaper Cebu. You can follow them also in Instagram again, that is Global Shaper Cebu. So yeah, didn't miss it. So sila ang nagbuhat kani akong ibasa. Actually, I've shared this already, the photo or the infographics, pero I'd like to share this to you. Number 1, ang COVID ko sakit na sa mga dato. So, I don't want to delve into that. So, if you have noticed, dili ta nang nakasakit or positive sa COVID ngayon kay mga dato. And for us, kitang mga kabus, mas mag-amping jud hinoon ta kay mas magproblema ta kung magkasakit jud hinoon ta kay mahal baya. Okay, dili ra ko matakdan kung magsigi kog inom og vitamin C. Okay, so yes, vitamin C would boost your immune system actually. Okay, so vitamin C would boost your immune system pero dili ra na ingon niya kung nakay vitamins di nakamatakdan. So, ang importante hinuon no kan mga hugas sa kamot. The three basic lang yun, wear mask, manghugas og kamot, og stay home. Those three lang yun ang basic. If ever you do that, actually layo jud kayo ka sa COVID. So, yes, nag 5:30 na di I forgot. So again, so in my status nakatag ang foodpanda Cebu, nakatag ang FB Cebu promos. So please do follow them because they will give out the voucher codes again for foodpanda kung naglaway man mo ani. So please give into your cravings once in a while. I know said every day in town. I would encourage that. So yes, for voucher codes, then again, if ever for those who just followed right now, the voucher codes that they are giving is actually for new subscribers or new registrants already. Na lang. Pero if ever naa na mo'y foodpanda, and for sure na mo'y kauban sa balay na wala pa'y foodpanda, so use their phone and download it, and yeah, gamitin ang phone para you can avail of the voucher code. Okay, so let me go back. So I'm reading again the myth about foodpanda. Ako ginagmuuan. Okay, where am I now? Okay, so number 1, I've mentioned dili ang COVID dili ra sakit sa dato kundi para na siya sa tanan. Sunod, equal ta sa COVID, may pang COVID equal, dili para sa SAP. Out. Lagi, wabi ako na appeal. No work no pay pud baya aming mga dentista. Next. Okay. Dili ka matak sa bato sa vitamin C, dili ra gyud vitamin C but of course it would boost your immune system, but all vitamins, and as much as possible also make it sure complete ang vitamins with zinc even. Mura man na og usual nga flu. No, mo na siya nakaproblema ba sa COVID because it seems to be a normal flu, but I'm actually tridor siya sa last part. The next thing you know, yes, kaya musina mig prayers for you. Mamatay sa init ang virus mo ng mga ligo sa dagat. Okay, ang virus dili siya mamatay sa init actually, but even though di siya mamatay sa init, so that's why we have to be careful all the time. Ito mga tugdagat kaya basta igawas na to, makakontak pa hinon ta, and makasabanta ng Tia Gwen ana. Next, makuha ang COVID sa pagkaon. Okay, so dili na to makuha ang COVID technically sa pagkaon if ever you cook your own foods and sterile, limpyo kanyang mga pagabuhat. So for sure, dili gyud ka makakuha og COVID. But if ever you buy food outside nga dili kaayo di ta sure kasi nag-prepare, pag-prepare baron wala sila face mask, na ubuhan, nabutangan og laway, then that is not safe anymore if ever sa suking karinderya. Or if ever also gali kumato ka sa karinderya and mukuha gamit ta og kwarta, ang kwarta karon ta kay bawo ang kwarta dibi ang tubutang ag alcohol or dapat butangan na nato na karon. So mo na siya, even though limpyo kay muhang food, digunit ka sa food, or you went to the bakery to buy bread, idawat ka sa bread, then kuha sa kasi mong sukli, gibuta sa paper bag karon could be infected already, you bring it at home, then you put it in your table, so now your table is infected also. So mo na, but technically food dili siya mo ang mode of transmission, but it could be a carrier actually ang pagkaon. So muna ako good thing for foodpanda, all their merchants are well trained. Ang merchants ang nagbaligya ang foodpanda, they all all are being trained how to prepare it hygienically. So for sure limpyo gid ni sila, they wear PPE, and in the same way also foodpanda riders are trained also good, so they are very safe. So ang pag-deliver they are mana siya, so you don't have to worry. Next, kung walay si Thomas akong kasturya, okay ra na siya. So no, kung walay si Thomas mo na siya hinhino ay delikado. I think you know already that in COVID-19, the incubation period or ang period niya dili siya magpakita og si Thomas is 14 days. Mabitan na we have to be quarantined for 14 days. So with that time in 14 days, if ever April 1 o kato na nga bidignit kanus agad tong Holy Week o 9 or 10. So when they went there, within 9 to 2 weeks after that, probably they are carrying the virus. You can talk to them, you approach them, but wala sila symptoms. Because why? Symptoms would tend to appear 2 weeks after. So muna siya delikado. Even sila ang carry sa virus, wala sila kaibaw that they have the virus already. Okay? Bro mo ga-lecture ano eh. Okay. Next, mubasa sa kubik kaya nag-send sa messenger. Diba sige ako ni siyang dapat isulti. Interruption sad guys. Okay. O di ba nagyud dayo yung request magpa-online consult. Later na lang sa ha. Sorry kaayo mo ka. Padayonon sa ninako siya. Okay. So, where am I now? Nawag tang nako. Yeah, anyway, nagpa-sounds like ko through Spotify. Tanan may sponsor isulti oy. If ever you don't have Spotify yet, there's a link in my, you go to my Instagram account. If ever you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. That's Dookiesave, DOOKIEXAVE. And naangad to ang link ta bio sa ako ang Spotify. And if ever you download Spotify using that link, you have 3 months free Spotify. Okay. Again, but that is also for new users only. Thank you, foodpanda. Di ba ito na competitor? Okay na isulti. Okay, next. Mamatay sa alcohol ang virus, so magtagay na lang ni sa balay. Okay, so yes. Yeah, mamatay ang virus sa alcohol. But yes, alcohol sa gawas, dili sud sa atay. Okay, so we even encourage mo nang nagkanbiyan nagsulti nga i-uplift ang liquor ban. To be honest, some of my friends know I drink a lot. But actually guys, if ever we drink manggod, there's a chance na kana na sir, yes, mga onta. So if ever manggod we drink alcohol, there's a tendency nga mul weaken sa lang imuhang atay or weaken ang immune system. So manang we don't encourage you to drink. So okay ra jud ko anang liquor ban or to drink responsibly. Good thing for us to drink responsibly, okay tingali, pero we can't control everyone, right? So manang okay ra kay ko sa liquor ban. Also, if ever manggod makainom ta, okay? So sometimes we can be uncontrollable or sometimes dili na if ever we wear mask, manghugas gyud ta og kamot, social distancing. But if ever we drink and sometimes we are intoxicated, di ta kay baw na, we don't know already how to do the precautions. So manang mas maayo na lang sa di sa gyud ta mo inom. To be honest, yeah, congratulations to myself. I think I don't have alcohol for the last 5 weeks already. Amazing. Ay congrats na di ay nag-alcohol day ko. Lumakasabaan ka, recorded din ni siya. Okay. Next, last na di ay number 9, di pa din. Number 9. Matakdan ko ani man nagatrabaho sa hospital, so dapat magpalayo ko nila. No, actually people working in the hospital, to be honest, these are the people who knows how to do the precautionary measures. So in other words, mas maayo mo paduol kanila because when they are in the hospitals, nagsulog bislag PPE and maghubo na sila. So on their way home, sure yun nga sterile o limpyo sila. Kana hinuong galakaw-lakaw nga na nga wata kahibaw asa ga trabaho, pwede pa hinuong sila gada og virus nga wata kahibaw. Okay. Yes, nakadjud kay na nga yung good. Yes. Order na lang mo inyo, promise ang lamaw guys, barato ra ni siya. Actually barato ra gyud tanan na angan he. Yeah. So to give an amount, I think all of this was kaabot og 2,000. Trust me guys. Mo siya kaabot 2,000 tanan. Yes. Oo. And kana siya kay kani siya pwede na siya makadug 8 people and we have to splurge in once in a while ha. Dili per me again kay di ko mo suggest ana. Then the last one nga naangan ni by global global by Cebu for Cebu or Global Shaper Cebu. And ang last nga myth nga gusto nilang i-debunk o gusto nilang i-share, nga gusto sa jud na kong i-share kay kanang kaon og pula sa itlog kay makawala sa virus. Dili in town. Oy, I think gibaw na magyutatanan ana no. But yes, itlog is very good. So mo na siya guys, kung tagaan nga limog itlog, kay nice half or mag-stock dili ta og itlog, eat it every day. Dili ka suhog luto, dili maglatchi flan, kay walay fiesta guys. Gisik ta, di ba? Naguba daghan kay gibuhat, inom sa deko. Yes, sa kadaghang food ako tubangon sa ganan yung kanon nako di ay guys. Para makawink na pug ko. Kanina lang siya. Okay, yes, this is from Dinesh. For those who want to do potato mojos and tutorials na din sa kuang page, kung gusto. Hold on. Home remedies for toothache. Okay. Home remedies for toothache is actually depending on sa cause sa toothache. But as I mentioned earlier, most toothache are actually because of infection. Actually. Yes, mas safe pag yung makuyo ka sa frontliners kaysa sa emuhang X. Sure jud kay ko ana sa yun. Okay, pero depende ba sa X? Okay. So, yes, home remedies for toothache actually as I mentioned depending on the cause, but mostly it is because of an infection. So if ever there is an infection, pain reliever might help. Makatabang yun na siya. But why there is pain, ano na ay pain, because there is an infection. So we have to address the infection. So how to kill the infection is you have to do antibiotics yun. So mobalik ko, do an online consultation, chat to your dentist, or you can chat through me, and we can assess and probably can prescribe. We can do an online prescription for antibiotics, actually. So we can do that para mawag na nga infection, and hopefully after this ECQ, we can address that. We can do tooth extraction, or actually we can do, we can do tooth extraction, or we can do root canal treatment. Yes, agoy si Bay Caballes. Kano di ay, Bay, like yawa, pabi ako kabot yung tuna sandwich. Guys, please follow Life is Beautiful sa di ay. Kidaghan kay siya glutoon sad all the time nga makasuya di ay. Okay? So, he just made a tuna sandwich recently, which tastes so good. Wa ko niya padadi. Okay? So, I think more share reminders. Regarding sa alcohol, onbon sa alcohol, there's an circulating video ba ya di ay nga kanatong Tanduay git sa gulan og Zonrox nga pino siya alcohol. Again, Tanduay made a statement about it. Dili gyud na siya tinuod, di gyud na siya ma-alcohol. Ha? So please don't do that one in tawon. I'll try to look for that link, and I'll be sharing it to you guys. So again, ang alcohol dili ang Tanduay, or any rum, dili butangan og kuan ha, Zonrox or sodium hypochlorite, then mahimo na siyang alcohol. Please, ang Zonrox sad, I won't suggest any Zonrox or sodium hypochlorite to dilute it and use it to sterilize our hands. Dili gyud ang maayo kay mo dry na gyud ang imong hands. Sama sa ka-dry sa imong love life. Ow. Okay. So okay, I think I didn't miss anything. So, but yeah, for Zonrox, actually, for 1 cup of Zonrox, pwede nimo siya 1/4 cup. You can mix it to about 1 gallon of water. Kaya naman galon. Kana sure na ko ani. 1/4 cup of Zonrox to 1 gallon of water. That mixture is enough already to clean or to disinfect stuff. So, sa inyong balay, please do that one. So, after disinfection, kibaw naman mong limpyo na siya, make it sure not to touch it already. Nga unsterile or kibaw asa gikan imuhang kamot or gikan kag ubo. Okay? That's it. Yes, Mana, I miss you. I miss, Marco Polo Ensaymada and Malicious Cookies, Ana. Okay. As like ano na, wala na, suko na ang foodpanda, mukhaon na lagi di ay kunuko eh. Sorry na, good. Ganun ako i-share, and I mean na diet. Okay. But guys, actually, for this ECQ, I'm trying to do OMAD also, 1 meal a day diet. Kaya murag manambok na gid taon ta. So, gamay akong usa akong mukha per dinaghan. Ay maikog ko sa akong gipang follow. Because for this ECQ, I am really following a lot of fitness enthusiasts. Pero muna siya, I'm watching their fitness video. Pero naka-on ko og potato. So muna. Okay, you can do your fitness video. Speaking of, na dyan ko review. Hi, Cass, you can do your fitness video while watching me eat this one. That's okay. Okay. Napamamil gusto isulti na ako kay actually I am down to my 5 minutes. Yes, almost about to 1 hour. Again, thank you guys because to be honest, I was quite hesitant. Nayora man sa di mag-istorya si muhang self, no? Yes, yeah. Kanya Marco Polo, Malicious Cookies, and cafe should be in foodpanda also. Para we can have the Malicious Cookies. The ensaymada. To give into our cravings or to the food I love. Again, I emphasizing this. When foodpanda asked me, I asked them to emphasize this also, that it's okay to do online deliveries, to do foodpanda. But do it to treat yourself. Do it once in a while. Don't do it every day. Like karon ba during ECQ, like everyone's at home already or everyone has this online business, nanggawas ng OB cheese pandesal, nanggawas ng leche flan. Every day hinuna na orderon, di ba? Daghan na kay orderon. Mukaon ani, mupalit ana, mag fiesta every day sa balay. Nagtitipid ta dili ni siya party. O nangasaba ko. Okay, yes, award. Na strong ko o na triggered ko. Ano? Hi, Sir Nel Arnel. Yes. Hi, Sir Nel Arnel. Gimingaw na kong waterfront. Ang 7 stations na I want to come back. But after sa 7 stations, bilan siya atong uno, wala na ta kaadto or na-close na ta. Sige lang. I'm looking forward for Uno 7 station after this ECQ. Kaya wakay ko kakaon adto. Kay asa gawin busog sa ko adto. O picnic ito. So this is picnic. Sige. Actually guys, nako gi-save nga ni. Yes, waha epektibo sa ECQ makiktabi sa self. Maugid na siya. Mag-share na ko sa kong storya. Dahil nag-share na ko sa panda oh. Pero mas mahadlok ako mutubag sad sila. Mawalagin na sila. Kuang na lang hasta akong unlan, butangan ako guwi ice para mag-story akong unlan. Ana. Pramay na lang ato ang self usahay mutubag pa kaysa sa tuang ex. Out. Going back. Lagi, speaking of, asa kong kasugdi family Jason Morata. Shout out ko special mention mo. Wala lagi siya ni view. Overheard. Yeah. Baka na ako pa sa kulikod. Ayaw, uy. Ayaw, naku, ano na, bambura na yung kanon. Hi ka ni Panda. Hi, Panda. Nara. Lagi, strong yakig naong si Panda. Yeah, for those who are close to me, you always know, ako sticker sa foodpanda, sa akong food sa chat, guys, kanang Panda permis. Sige, agat Panda na. Hindi barog yun ko, no? Agat Panda. This Panda DI is given by my student before, si Sherlyn, which turns out to be my patient, and now a friend, but she's based outside. Hi Sherlyn, thank you for this Panda. Say hi Panda. Hi, o diba? So see, garong isik yung mag-story ang taog stuff toy. Diba? Pikabong, ganaan na. O diba? Musayo sa akong Panda class, ganun. Musayo sa siya, mag-itik-itik rin akong kung ano Panda. Ana. Diba? More sa di siya o wala pa siya kakaog humba. Yes, mukha ulit ang humba sa Mabolo. Oh, yes, we should do humba for this ECQ. Yes, for this ECQ.